The 2024 Renault ESPACE marks a radical departure from its minivan roots, reinventing itself as a technologically advanced SUV. Despite shedding its familiar minivan shape, the new ESPACE retains the model's emphasis on interior space and flexibility. This reimagined vehicle aims to deliver the practicality buyers expect from the ESPACE nameplate within a more stylish and fuel-efficient package. Sharing its underpinnings with the Austral compact crossover, the 2024 ESPACE stretches its wheelbase for enhanced passenger and cargo room. Renault's engineers have worked wonders packaging the interior, as this new model offers more third-row space than its larger predecessor. With all seats folded, cargo capacity measures an impressive 64.2 cubic feet. Motivation comes from a hybrid powertrain combining a 1.3-liter turbocharged four-cylinder and two electric motors. Total system output sits at 199 horsepower, providing sprightly acceleration. Renault estimates fuel consumption will drop by up to 40% compared to the previous V6-powered ESPACE. The new model's shapely exterior exudes sleek modernity, adopting the Austral's stylish cues. Distinctive C-shaped headlights flank Renault's signature grille, while muscular wheel arches and side sills exude sportiness. Inside, passengers are treated to a minimalist cabin centered around a 12-inch touchscreen. An expansive glass sunroof enhances the airy interior ambiance. Renault departs from tradition, eliminating diesel engines entirely. The standard hybrid emphasizes efficiency and refinement over outright performance. Nonetheless, the electrified powertrain delivers satisfying acceleration for this family-focused SUV. A sophisticated multi-link rear suspension and optional four-wheel steering provide responsive, engaging handling. The radically redesigned 2024 ESPACE will soon go on sale across Europe. Renault is clearly aligning the iconic ESPACE with contemporary tastes. The model's evolved SUV form factor and advanced hybrid powertrain should widen its appeal to discerning families seeking space, style, and efficiency. For buyers wanting flexibility without the minivan stigma, the 2024 ESPACE makes a compelling choice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.